been given a problematic question from Chapter 1, which is Business Organization or Introduction to Company Law. So, here is the question. Hi, my name is Nur Nabila Shamimi binti Nabi. My metric number is S46244. First of all, I will present about the issue, which is whether or not Amran and Lim can expand the business under company limited by share private. Next, I will tell more about the principle which is define the company which fall under Section 2 Companies Act 2016. Company means company incorporated under this act or under any corresponding previous written law. The term of company implies association of a number of people for some common object or objects. Private company means any company which immediately prior to the commencement of this act was a private company under any corresponding previous written law. Any company incorporated as a private company under this act and any company converted into a private company under Section 41 be a company which has not ceased to be a private company under Section 42. So next, I will proceed to Kasrina.
Limited by share is a class of private limited company. In bracket 2, a company is limited by share if the liability of its member is limited of the amount, if any, unpaid on share held by the members. Shareholder with limited liability and its shares may not be offered to the general public, unlike those of a public limited company. Limited by share means that the liability of the shareholder to creditor of the company is limited to the capital original invest, such as nominal value of the shares and any premium paid in return of the issue of the shares by the company. Right to participate in the profit made by a company and declare dividend. Once the shares are fully paid out, there is no further liability. The risk of commercial losses and shareholders need their liability to be limited. The liability of members is limited to such amount as they have undertaken to contribute to the asset in the event of its being worn out. The amount is specified in the MOA, which is part of the company constitution. Is worn out, each person who is a member at that time or has been a member which the preceding year may be required to contribute up to the amount of his guarantee towards payment of the debts and liabilities of the company contract before he cases to be member.
Hi, my name is Nur Aminti Nordin. My metric number is S46239. Now, I want to explain more about the advantage of private company limited by share. The first one is limited liability of each shareholder. During recent recession, many businesses experience financial constraints which affect their performance and solvency. The advantage from this period is the limited liability of the shareholder is limited to the number of shares they hold in the company. Therefore, if the company is in the financial trouble and had to wind up, the shareholder would not risk losing their personal asset. Secondly, restricted trade of share is an advantage to the shareholder because shareholders who want to sell their share cannot sell them to the outside buyer. The risk of the hostile takeover is low. Another advantage of private company limited by share is separate personality. For example, in case of separate business element, once the private company is incorporated become an independent legal entity which is able to sue and be sued and own assets separate from the owner company. Lastly, it is continuous existing even after the owner die or leave the company. Thank you.
So here there is one case to support our statement against our case. The case is between Boland's Trustee versus Steve Ross and Co. Limited. The facts for this issue is Mr. Boland was a shareholder. He turned bankrupt and the company he was working for had a preemption rule that opened a shareholder's bankruptcy. His shares will be transferred to the managers or the directors at a fair value price and not at the current value price. Boland's trustee argued that the article which was imposed by the company upon a shareholder's bankruptcy was invalid and fraud. He was forced to part his shares at a value below the current value and it went against the bankruptcy laws of the state. The issue in this case was whether the preemption rule created by the company relating to a shareholder's bankruptcy went against the bankruptcy laws and was eventually void. For the judgment, the judge in this case, Fowell J, rejected the argument put forward by Boland's trustee and held the article was valid. The ground on which the judge held its decision was that the transfer could be made because the contract engendered in the Articles of Association is always prior to the right contained in a share or the shareholders. Also, he held that this rule was fair and it was a fair agreement for the business of the company.
Next, I am the last presenter for Group 1 and my name is Aiminatul binti Muhammad Jalaluddin. My metric number is S46145. Now, I will explain about the application and the conclusion from the case. Based on this case, Amran and Lim are considered 6 requirements whether they want to expand their business in limited by share private company. The application from this case is Amran and Lim can avoid significant levels of formality as a company is an association of persons existing as a separate legal entity from the owners or members. Besides that, Amran and Lim can also run their affairs in private and can avoid personal liability for the debts and liability which the company is treated like an individual in the eyes of the law, giving it the right to be sued or held responsible if anything goes wrong or someone is injured. Next point is, Amran and Lim do not want to invest significant amounts of their own capital in setting up the business, so that this business organization is the nominal amount of share which a person holds in a company represents that portion of the capital of the company. Moreover, in order for Amran and Lim wish to raise capital from outside sources, the company can sell stock to raise additional funds. With this business organization, which is limited by share private company, Amran and Lim also can take an employees to make sure their business can run smoothly. In my conclusion is, Amran and Lim can expand their business by limited by share private which classified under the company under the section 10(2) Companies Act 2016. That's all from our group. Thank you for watching.